Hello everyone, my name is Atharwa Nikam and I am a proud student of SITRC, Sandip Foundation, pursuing my bachelor's in computer engineering. I am thrilled to share that I recently got placed at ROP Softwares and Accenture, which has been a dream come true for me. The hands-on projects, industry exposure and internship arranged by the college played a huge role in building my technical skills. Additionally, the support from our faculty members and alumni networks was invaluable. I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to our HOD, Dr. Ankita ma'am, and the placement team and my professors for their unwavering support. To my fellow students and juniors, I would say make the most of the opportunities provided here. Once again, I am grateful to Sandip Foundation for giving me the platform to achieve my dreams.